5 divided by 5 gives us 1, and again 5 divided by 5 gives us 1, and 1 divided by 1 is just 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, if we have similar operation, like in this case division or 3 division operation, we have to solve the problem left to right directly by going. So we are going to start from 5 and divide 5, and that division, that dividend is going to be divided again by 5 and again by 5. So that is what we are going to do, and that is going to be the answer. So 5 divided by 5, 5 divided by 5 here gives us 1, and 1 is going to be divided by 5, and that is going to be divided by 5 once again. So 1 divided by 5 is basically mean 1 over 5, and this is going to be divided by 5 once again. But this is too scary for a lot of us guys. So how do we do this? Well, don't get scared, or just this is going to be just simple maths. For those of you who don't know, I am going to write a little pro tip here for you to understand. So we are going to use the KCF rule. So key stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip, right? So 1 over 5 is going to be kept as it is, right? So keep is, that is what keep stands for. So 1 over 5, but the division is going to be changed to multiplication. C is for change, right? So we are going to change the division into multiplication, and then we are going to flip the 5, right? The 5 is going to be flipped. So instead of 5, we are going to write 1 over 5. And now the division problem becomes a multiplication problem, which directly we are going to multiply the top number and the bottom number and just put the answer. So 1 times 1 gives us 1, and 1 on the bottom number, on the denominator, we have 5 times 5, which gives us 25. So the final answer is 1 over 25. So the correct answer to this question is 1 over 25.